Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare baked banana pudding. It's so yummy and so easy as well. So first let's get started. Show you the ingredients. We need 2 cups of milk, we need sugar, flour, eggs, banana, ripe banana, and we need biscuits. I'm using rich tea biscuit. You can use wafer and you can use cookies, but you can use the one that you like, but my children prefer the rich tea. We need vanilla. I'm using the vanilla powder. You can use vanilla extra, and I'm using cream of tartar. We need a little bit of cream of tartar. We need a little bit of salt and bit of lemon juice. So by the way, I'm going to list down the ingredients with the measurements down in the description box if you want to give this recipe try. Okay, so I'm gonna leave those separate. I'm going to start with the banana. Okay, so slice the banana like so. So 3 bananas. Perfect. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. So just a little bit of lemon juice on them and then leave them separately. So here I have 4 eggs. It's washed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate the egg yolks. So I'm going to use 3 egg yolks. So just put them here. We need 1 whole egg here. And we need 3 egg whites. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to mix these very good. I'm going to leave the egg white separate with the cream of tartar, and let's get started to prepare the pudding. Here we have half a cup of sugar. I'm going to take like 2 tablespoons just to leave them with the cream. I'm going to pour the sugar here, then add the flour, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, less than 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, now I'm going to pour the egg here, the eggs. Okay, so mix them. So mix it very good until the mixture combine all together. Okay, it will be easier if you use the spatula. So as you can see, I mixed the mixture until they very smooth. Okay, so here I have 2 cups of milk. I'm going to start adding the milk bit by bit and mix the ingredients. So on high heat, I'm going to keep mixing the ingredients until the mixture get thick. So at the end, we are going to add the vanilla on them. Okay, so see you after that. Here we go. So look at this. So now, before turning off the cooker, I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of vanilla on them and mix them very good. Now they smell so yummy. Perfect. So now turn off the cooker, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to preheat my oven to 220 degrees and start preparing the banana pudding and then bake it in the oven. Okay, so now in this tray I'm going to start adding a little bit of banana pudding. Okay, and then add on them biscuits or wafer or cookies, whatever you like. And then I'm going to add bananas. Alright. Now I'm going to add another layer of pudding and carry on layer pudding, layer biscuit and layer banana, and carry on until the pudding finished. So now I'm going to add bananas. I'm going to add the rest of the banana. Yeah. Okay, so put this separate. And then here I have the egg whites. I'm going to add on them like 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Okay, this is 1/4 teaspoon, and then mixing the egg. And here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, so I'm going to add them bit by bit until the mixture getting so fluffy. Okay. So here we have the cream or the meringue. I'm going to put them on top of the pudding. Spread them. Okay. So just tap on them. Don't need to make it perfectly, so the shape that you liked, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to bake the tray on 220 degrees for about 8 minutes, or between 8 to 10 minutes, until the top getting golden brown. Okay, look at this beautiful baked banana pudding. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a little piece and then show you how it looks like. Look at the meringue, it's so crunchy on top. Oh, yummy. That's so delicious. It smells so yummy. But sure, you have to wait until it cools down. But it tastes so yummy. Oh my goodness. Wow. So you can just double the amount for the pudding. You can add more pudding inside it. But this is enough. Look at the meringue. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it in the fridge. I'm going to leave it to cool down first for about half an hour, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge. It could stay up to 3 days in the fridge, and hope you enjoy it. So by the way, I'm going to list down all the ingredients for this recipe in the description box down below if you want to give it a try. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.